Welcome. Today, I'll present the IQVIA Market Reflection Report for January 2026, providing insights into market performance, growth trends, and key company updates. Please note that the data and projections are based on third-party sources and assumptions, and are not intended as investment advice. The Indian pharmaceutical market, IPM, grew 9.1% YoY, valued at 252,067 crore rupees, with January 2026 seeing an 11.5% growth. The SSA market also grew by 8.5%, with 10.1% growth in January. Cardiac and diabetes therapies led growth for January, showing significant contributions to the overall market. Sun, Abbott, and Cipla continue to lead, with companies like Intas and Lupin showing strong growth in January. Sun leads, followed by Abbott and Cipla. Intas and Lupin recorded notable gains in market share for January. Zydus, USV, and Intas showed growth, while Aristo, GSK, and Emcure saw declines in market share. Zydus and USV gained, but companies like Aristo and GSK saw slight declines in January 2026. FDC, Sanofi, and Ajanta showed positive growth, while companies like Alembic and Eli Lilly faced slight declines. FDC and Sanofi improved, while Eli Lilly and Hetero saw slight drops in market share. Astra and Systopic showed significant growth, while P&G and Indoco Asterisk saw declines. AstraZeneca had the highest growth, with Eli Lilly and Samarth also showing solid performance. Bayer Zydus led the growth, with other companies like H&H and Wallace showing positive trends. Bayer Zydus showed the highest growth, while Reliance and Meyer experienced declines. Mounjaro and Foracort crossed 100 crore rupees for the second consecutive month, with several brands showing double-digit growth. Mounjaro, Pan, and Theranorm showed strong growth, while Ryzadig moved into the top 10 for January. Sun maintained its top position, while Torrent, Eris, and FDC showed notable improvements. Indian companies grew by 11.0%, while MNCs saw a slightly higher growth of 14.2% in January 2026. Acute therapies grew by 9%, while chronic therapies saw a higher growth of 16%, reflecting shifting market needs. Cardiac, anti-diabetic, respiratory, and pain management therapies showed notable growth, with Mounjaro driving the diabetic market. Respiratory and pain therapies also saw significant growth, while gastrointestinal and VMN therapies showed positive trends. Therapies like respiratory cough preparations and pain management, paracetamol combos, were key contributors to growth. In January, there were 3,539 PTR changes, 790 new pack introductions, and several brand transfers,